Hey family, blessed day to you. Blessed day. I'm doing a little bit of housework here. Hope that when you get to watch this little vlog, we're doing some work at home here today. So right here now, I am finally reassembling my French door fridge. Yes, we had to take it apart somewhat when we were relocating. So I am putting it, pretty much I'm putting it back together. So this is the cooler. So right down here now, Dad and Jer were putting this part together, but actually there are some screws right here whenever I line up properly. So they have to go finish up that, but the part they're gone, because what happened if the screws them not line up properly, the door them up here, so now I'm gonna line up with the freezer door. So pretty much I put in these are the shelves, and then these are like, what do you call them, called? Something I'm going to say the liquor. But as we go along, you will see what we are doing. So I'm pretty much wiping it out. Doesn't have a foul smell though, because I knew all along when I plugged it out, I was to put my baking soda in there. So I kind of really need my fridge right now. I second down and I need my fridge. I've been using another little one, but my bun light. Oh, then first time fridge. So basically it's what is happening now. So right here there's a piece of glass that fits in here. So I have them all washed already. So I'm putting this piece first, and I'm trying to get the inside part as clean as possible, and fresh and nice. I'm using baking soda. I'm not using any bleach. Baking soda and a little dish soap. But it was actually, I didn't make it dirty, because when I plugged it out and pull it down from the previous place, I literally have cleaned it out and have baking soda in there. This is a 4-year-old refrigerator. So I'm going to show you what I do next. So now this piece of glass comes from here. I think say, oops, then should I make it little
Nagani.
Oh, yeah man. Yeah.
It not going at the groove.
Which groove? Hold on. Yeah. It's in the groove. Is it that? Hold on. Is it that?
Probably have it the wrong way around.
Yeah. This piece, see? This piece is sort of round. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it around back there. No problem. It's early in the morning, family, and I'm sweating so much. Still not have it in the groove. Wonder if this, what you think? Yeah man. Has it? Yeah man. I have it. You know, think I have it.
Them two, they're not supposed to out.
Them not supposed to cock up, so them supposed to down.
Yeah.
Right. So, we finally got it in. Boy, these things are so critical. You know, they are so technical. So, these two little things now, I fit them back right here. There's some little clips, two little clips. See how they look like? And you have the groove right here. I'm just put it down so it holds the glass. So that one is in. So this is the most complicated one. So we got that one in. As you know, when you clean it, you have to get out the glass to wash underneath here, underneath them part here. So it's kind of critical. But comment and tell me if you want to hold for millions of people over there, over the world. When you're cleaning yours, have you ever disassembled and reassembled yours? How do you do it? Yeah, but they're kind of little technical, you know. They just take a little time. Yeah, they really take a little time. But I think, and we didn't watch any YouTube video, because even after the first time we wanted to clean the freezer, wow, it gave us so much work. But Jer found it out. Jer sorted it out. So me and Jer now me try to get it back together. So okay now fam, I have my two trays them here. But Kobe's saying that it is one of the sides are bigger. Me not seeing it like that. So what I really do, I just put them on top right here, kind of line it up. So I'm gonna try to see if I have it the right way. I thought the one was supposed to be pale and one supposed to be hard, but I don't know. But me I gotta try now. So you're supposed to hook it up underneath these, them two something here. Supposed to go up underneath this and run. Because you know it's a running thing. So it kind of, some of them something here you have to kind of fit them. Kind of just line them up first. Alright. Okay, that look like it. But why am I have a little space in between here? So I'm not supposed to have a space in between this.
Push it up.
But push it up, man. Is it that me now?
No, you're okay. It's from where you're standing.
No, I'm not supposed to have no space. See there? See there? Well, look like me not put it
In the right.
in the right groove. Let's see. I'm not supposed to have no space. Let's see. Or is it that this?
No, that's not a problem. That is exactly where you put. Because you see the look of something on the right side and over there, so that is where you place them. You can't put it any lower. If you put it any lower, then it won't work.
But it's supposed to. So guys, I'm not sure. Maybe because where it was in the place before now, it was in such a small space you couldn't even like step back and look at it, you know. So me come all along, I mean look, you know, like me will step back, me have the space now, so maybe me never have the space, but it's supposed to make a click and it make the click them going in. And it line up with right here. So line up properly. So I guess we're doing something. Maybe right, I'm not sure. I think Jerry's the expert, so we're gonna wait till him come. In here really smell fresh though for your fridge ready. You know, so we're onto these other shelving now. I'm gonna get onto these. So me normally have my own them level. You know, you can set them up and down. Depends on how you are going to put your thing then, like with your bottle. But for now, I'm going to just set them right straight because me want to put some things on it. So as I go, you fit them in here. Them fit in somewhere right here. So that's all. Second, third. That's all. I don't, yeah,
Not reaching out.
I never fit these, you know. And Gerard always fit them, but I think you. Oh, see that you go up. Wow,
You
this
catch one groove.
Yeah, and you know catch the other. It's okay. It's okay.
Catch the bottom first.
So this are this, right? And then we each now.
Actually, no. Catch the top.
No, I think you should catch it.
Catch the top first.
I'm not looking for anything back off from me. Yeah. So we want it about so good. Eh?
Yeah. I think you tilt it up. Good. Push it in now. There you go.
Alright, so that's it. It look a little bit high though.
You want it a little lower? I suggested it a little bit lower.
I would think so. You think
Because
so?
you have the next one to put on top. So
So
go.
but I can't put the next one right here, so then you know. You think we should this look a little high?
Go one more down.
One more down. But my master sometimes I want. Make a work with ears. So actually family after only just not a lot, we figured it out. So we had it right, but we didn't even realize this one was supposed to. There's a slot on one side here. This part has an opening and this side has a slot, so to fit it down in there. So now these shelves you fit it because I want them to fit straight across for the purpose when we want it for. You know, so some people have them like you have this shelf here. You will have this down here and this little higher because some of them have bottles and stuff to all them want fit like them juice jug and them something. But for this for right now, me always like them fit right across. So if me have a big bottle, me like a juice or some milk, me can fit it right here. So like flatter things, you know. And so, but me can hold a pan this or 2, 3, you know, right? And so me go on to the door them now, the door shelving. 6 of these, 3 to each side. So basically, me I go put me.
You have it wrong. Try it wrong.
Oh, I drop it. Me I drop it in the bottom one first. So these are not hard. You just fit them down in the slot. You just push it and fit. No, this not fit right. Me I try to tell us. So you see how these fit all right? Yes. So in between, so now in the way you want drop one, you drop it. Suit yourself. I don't know. This look like a over here, so
Yeah.
You see it? Yeah. See how easy? So we are gonna find now in between now. Why? Here we go now, fam. I don't know. I don't know if there was any left or right. Maybe we never that. But at the end of the day, this is it. We got it. We got it. This thing make me have to change clothes and sweat. So we got it. So we want to do now. We know it's working. We'll plug it in and leave it for about an hour or two to see if it's cooling. And you know them something when you, I know the lights are okay, but I don't know, the freezer, what we need it for. So these things up here, they are set already, right?
I don't know.
No, they come on, but you never, of course you remember if I set it, you never, so I'm sure if I set it.
Let's
Go. I don't think it's just like automatic, you know. It as soon as you set it, it picks up the temperature and do it. I do so. Family, we'll leave it temporary, so you know, because we got other things to do, and as we move on to them, we'll show you. But actually, we can't deal with the freezer part. There was just a little mishap that Jer and Dad did down there with them. I have to correct. We have to pull out back the freezer and connect up back there. But it's okay. It still can go along. It's just that we're not gonna have no ice down there, so. And that's it. Okay, now family, so we get it all set. We wanted to have the 0 here. This is for the freezer, right? Freezer? No man, that's a F and this hour.
No, it's Fahrenheit.
But this is the Fahrenheit. This is how it was, the original setting. So clean and clear. And we're gonna be doing some seasoning up of meat and packing it in there.